That glossy, mirror-like finish you see on high-end exotic cars usually costs thousands of dollars and dozens of hours in a professional detailing bay. So, when a bottle of spray-on liquid like the Nuan hydrophobic ceramic coating shows up on your social media feed, promising the same results for the price of a quick lunch, it's only natural to be skeptical. The ads are hypnotic. They show mud sliding off a car hood like magic and claim you are getting a permanent nano-ceramic shield with just a few spritzes. But we have to look at what is actually happening on the surface of your paint. The term nano-ceramic gets thrown around a lot these days, but true ceramic technology relies on a chemical bond that requires a pristine surface and a lot of time to cure. This Nuan spray is much more of a temporary sealant than a professional grade coating. When you first buff it into your car with that included microfiber cloth, you are going to see a legitimate difference. The shine is noticeable. The paint feels incredibly smooth to the touch. When the first rain hits, you'll see those satisfying water beads that everyone loves to post photos of. It makes washing your car much easier for the first few weeks because dirt just can't find a place to grab onto. But here is the reality check that the glossy ads won't tell you. That protection is fleeting. While a pro coating might last for years, these budget sprays usually start to fail after a few heavy rainstorms or a couple of trips through a car wash. They don't form a hard, scratch-resistant shell despite what the packaging says. If you heat your car with a chemical cleaner or even a strong soap, that beautiful hydrophobic effect might vanish instantly. Famous automotive experts have been very vocal about these products, sometimes even calling them snake oil because the marketing is so misleading. It's not that the product does nothing. It's just that it isn't the permanent miracle people want it to be. If you treat it as a quick shine enhancer or a maintenance booster to use between deep cleans, you will actually find a lot of value in it. It is perfect for the casual owner who wants that showroom glow for a weekend cruise without the massive price tag of a ceramic shop. Just don't expect it to protect your vehicle from scratches or to last through a long, salty winter. It's a cosmetic tool, a way to make your car pop and keep it looking sharp for a short window of time. As long as you keep your expectations realistic and understand that you'll need to reapply it frequently, it's a decent addition to your garage shelf. It is a legit budget sealant that delivers a temporary wet look, but it's a far cry from the military-grade armor the commercials try to sell you. You aren't being scammed, but you are definitely being sold a dream that requires a lot of upkeep to stay alive. It feels great to see water flying off your hood. Just remember that the barrier you are seeing is only a few microns thick. It's a great way to dip your toes into car care without a massive investment. Just keep the bottle handy because you're going to be using it a lot more than the advertisements suggest to keep that mirror finish.